Hey, do you find that you sometimes get... Hold on. That's better. Do you sometimes find that you join a group or you're in a session and they start playing all this lovely music in the background and all you want to do is have a conversation with somebody? It's annoying, isn't it? And of course your first option is to turn the volume down. But if you turn the volume down, you're not going to hear them when they actually talk to you. So there is a trick in Zoom. If you go up to the person who's sharing the screen, which is Cordelia Kate at this time, and you click on the three buttons, on those three buttons you will see an option to mute her computer sound. So I've muted her computer sound. I won't hear the music anymore. I can turn it on again. And I can turn it off. And the advantage of doing this is I have not turned off the other audio. So when she opens the meeting in about 3 minutes time and starts talking through her microphone, which is a different set of sound, it's coming from her, not her shared screen, I'm going to hear her clearly. But I didn't need to listen to her music. I do recommend putting some music on, getting the excitement going before meetings, but there are times when, as a receiver of that music, it may be a bit loud, it may be a bit in your face. So just turn it on and turn it off as you need. If you found this useful, you know what to do. Subscribe, follow, and see you next time.